169 of only eating food from a Korean convenience store.
Zero-calorie matcha lemonade. Honestly, it's nice to see some new things in the convenience store. Just not sure if this is what I would have chosen. Oh, it tastes like lemonade, but with grass. Teletubby banana roll cake. Solid banana flavor. Combination pizza, but microwavable. I'm just gonna eat it as is, because honestly, I don't think a microwave is saving this. Not even gonna lie, that's way better than I expected. Like cafeteria pizza on steroids.
4 cheese bulldog noodles.
And a giant wiener.
Subscribe.